Call of Duty black screen problem on your iPhone. Hey there, welcome back. Here's the advanced guide on how to solve this Call of Duty black screen problem to using your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you've turned off these quick settings. Slide down, turn off the low power mode, and ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Otherwise, try this internet troubleshooting guide. Solution 1. Update the app. Open the App Store, type Call of Duty. Try to check for updates. If there is no update, then follow the next process. Solution 2. Offload the Call of Duty game. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Call of Duty game, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. If you still have issues, open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Make sure you have more than 10 GBs of free storage. If you don't have free storage, then remove unwanted apps or games from here. After that, go back, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap on here. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Solution 3. Try to restart your device. This can sometimes fix minor software glitches that may be causing the problem. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not. After that, hopefully, your Call of Duty black screen problem will be solved. But still, if you have any issues, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.